In a small pot, combine water, unsalted butter, salt, and pepper. Turn on stove in medium heat and let it boil. Once boiling, turn off heat and add inJoy freeze rice powder. Mix well until combined. In a small pot, combine water, milk, and salt and pepper. Turn on stove in medium heat and let it boil. Once boiling, turn heat into low and add inJoy freeze rice powder. Turn off stove and add unsalted butter. Mix well until combined.